And now a word from our sponsor.
Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy!
What are you waiting for?
What if math was finally interesting? Statistics, the guide to success.
I love stats.
I can't take it no more. 1, 2, 3 in the place to be. MF Doom, Talib Kweli. Oh, here we go.
Unacceptable. Statistics. It's the new thing on campus.
Greatest class I ever took.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I love stats.
Oh, well, AP Stats class. It's one of the best classes that's offered here at Loomis Chafe.
Oh, hello there.
Hey, what do you think of Mr. Winkler?
He's my boy.
Again? Take that again.
This is student council, and we approve of stats.
Listen, Mr. Math, there are 5 steps to stats.
You gotta study really hard.
How hard?
Really, really hard if you want to get a good grade.
That's right. Homework. Do it.
Hey guys, how much did you study for the test?
Not at all.
I stayed for like an hour.
Oh, I studied for 3 hours and I did all the review problems. And I even took notes.
Take notes. Good notes.
Number 2, take notes. Top score. Unacceptable. Sleeping is Satan. Watch this.
Yeah. Oh, how do you succeed in stats?
Just gotta know the language.
And
Do the dang.
Do da ding. Number 3, talk the language of stats.
Use words like nearly, almost, and mostly.
Is this linear?
Almost linear.
Am I normal?
Nearly normal.
Wait, this isn't statistics. Statistics is math.
False. Stats is like an English course. Gray area.
That right there. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Hi.
Number 4, extra help matters.
Hey Mr. Winkler, can I have some help with stats homework?
Surely, Miss Gibbs.
See, I'm confused about the t-tests in here.
Yeah. Number 5, bring your calculator.
I would die for you, lay down my life for you. The only thing that means everything to me.
The calculator is a useful tool for making tables, finding r-squared values, and for finding p-values. Review.
You gotta study really hard.
Use ambiguous words like nearly, almost, and mostly.
See, I'm confused about the t-test. I love my calculator.
Not a believer. Want proof? Let's compare time spent on homework each night to the confidence level of students on the AP exam. Who? The Loomis AP Stats class. What? Is the time spent on homework and the predicted score on the AP Stats exam independent? Where? When? At the Loomis Chaffee School right now. Why? Because we want to encourage good study habits. How? Through a randomly generated survey via email.
Probably spent about 30 minutes a night at homework, and I think I got a 3.
Okay, 45 minutes a night, probably around a 4.
Probably like 10 minutes a night. I think I got a 1. About an hour a night. Definitely a 5.
What we decided to do was to...
Sorry, since we have two categorical variables, we decided to perform a chi-square test. More specifically, an independence chi-square test, because we have one group and several variances. Our null hypothesis is that the time spent studying and the predicted AP score are independent. Our alternative hypothesis is that the time spent studying and the predicted AP score are not independent. First, we have to check the conditions. The counted data condition. We have counts of individuals on two different categories. The randomization condition. These data are taken during an email survey sent to AP Statistics students at Loomis Chaffee. Although they are not a simple random sample, they were selected because our question is specific for AP Statistics students. The expected self-frequency condition. We expect to get more than 5 counts on every variable. Now perform the test by using your calculator. The first step is to plug in the numbers from the table into a matrix. Because we had one group of students but 2 variables, we had to use 2 columns and 17 rows, or responses. Second, hit the Stat Test button and choose the chi-squared option. Plug in matrix A for observed and B for expected. Third, press Calculate and marvel at how the calculator makes stats fun and produces a chi-squared value of 33.93 and a high p-value of 0.906.
Sorry. Ah, yes. We have an extremely high p-value, so we can probably, likely, nearly, almost probably reject the null hypothesis, which leads us to judge that the more you study, the more you will be confident about your AP score. However, too small an expected frequency can arbitrarily inflate the residual and lead to an inflated chi-squared statistic. Well, there's the proof. Take statistics. It's awesome.
Down the faraway hills from the west side ecstasy, used to drink